Welcome to Hope Talker English.
I am 60 years old. I feel myself to be feeble, but 30 years old ago from now, I could run fast. I could lift 100 kilograms weight. I went to park yesterday evening. I was sitting on the bench. Some children were playing football in front of me. Suddenly, the football started rolling towards me, and stopped near my feet. I could have kicked that football, but I didn't do so, and moved away from there. Last night my son asked me to move the table kept in my room. I tried to move but couldn't move it. Then I realized how feeble I have turned out to be. My son said, "Papa, lazy lifestyle could make you more lazy." Suddenly, my grandson came and said, "Grandpa, could you please give me your cane stick?" Seeing the stick, I thought, I wish I could walk without the help of the stick. My grandson started brandishing the stick in the air. I said to him, "I could be dangerous for you. It could damage the TV." He started the stick in the lawn. He was performing well, but I felt his performance could have been better. After that I had dinner. There was something in the food which I could feel bit outlandish. I called my son and said, "Given my age, how could your wife serve me such food?" My son said, "Could I taste your food?" My son said, "It couldn't be true that she has made unhealthy food for you." I could see abundance of love in his eyes for his wife. I wish my son could love me as much he loves his wife.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.